fam, welcome back. I'm Yessy and this is Yessy fam, and I'm gonna be unboxing today. And I know I'm wearing the same thing as I was in the previous video, but you know, today's recording day because I don't have all week to record. But this is our green screen from Ideas Illuminated Emart or Emart. Boom. Okay. So I'm gonna read to you guys what this green screen has, only because I can't possibly remember all the great features, because I just can't. Okay, so it's an 8.5 by 10 feet green screen backdrop stand kit for photography backdrop support system with 10 by 12 feet, 100% cotton muslin chroma key backdrop, and we bought it for $75. It comes with the support stands that are adjustable in height, anywhere from 3 feet to 8.5 feet maximum. And then it has crossbars which are adjustable from 5 feet to 10 feet. Okay. And it comes with a canvas. It does not come with the lights, and that's okay. We'll figure that out. And it also comes with clamps. Okay. Let's open. Maybe I should sit down. Maybe this is maybe like this. Sit down. Be humble. Huh. I hope I don't. Green screen. Okay, so it also apparently comes with a portable bag to keep your crossbar and your stands. That's pretty cool. So we got the 2 clamps here. And this is our green screen. So let's open this right here, so I can show you guys. Oh, it folds out. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay. So on this side, you unstrap that, and on the other side, you unstrap it. It opens out. You open the little handle part, and it opens out like that, right? Okay. And on this side, on one of the sides, I can use this chair here. On one of the sides, it has another Velcro strap, and this looks like a crossbar. We got the stand. This is our little tripod stand. I'm gonna just put this down because I'm gonna put it on the table. And then we have the other one on the other side of it. They feel pretty sturdy. They don't feel like they're cheaply made. So I'll put these down here. So it doesn't come with instructions, and I decided that I was going to try and put this together. Maybe I need some. I'm gonna do this like this. Like so, like that. Like I could be like a ninja. Okay, don't do this at home. You might break a window or something. Okay, so we got this. Lucy, come help me. Hold that. All right, and this is how our new green screen looks. It is pretty big. As you guys can tell, it takes up my tiny room all the way. And you can even make it a little bit higher. I'm just not gonna do that because there's no space. And today's recording day, so Lucy's gonna be recording. Oh my God, Lucy, what do we have right there? Hi, sir. Do it again. Hi. What are you doing, sir? Peekaboo. All right, guys. So we are done with this video. And yeah, check this green screen out if you're interested. I'm going to drop the link down below. And what, Lucy? What do you need to say?
Wait.
Uh-oh. Oh, my green screen. Get off my green screen. Marvin! Marvin! Get off my green screen! Alright, so that concludes our video of our unboxing of our green screen. And it's going to be recording time. And Lucy's going to record her video that she's going to make with Pacey. And what do you have to say?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the red notifications.